I just grab the hair, you feel me, where it's supposed to be at, like that. And I take my crochet needle and I start introducing this loose hair that you see right here into the locks. What's going on, man? It's your boy Luis, 25 Locs. You feel me, guys? I'm back. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. It's been a long time since I dropped. Damn. It's been a minute. But anyway, guys, so look, in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you why you should get a retwist at least once a month. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I haven't even been doing that. But anyway, guys, so I'm gonna show you why you should do it. It's been like 2 months since I got my shit done, my retwist. So it's really breaking my hair down. You see this hair? That's what I'm gonna talk about. I'm gonna be using my crochet needle. You know, this is what I do. This is, you feel me, like what I use to fix my hair. Remember that it's gonna be on the description, the link to buy this. Remember to use my code, 25 Locs. You feel me? Anyway, so look, you see this right here? That's crazy. So this hair that is standing up and hanging doesn't belong to this dread. It look like it does, but it's not. So I'm gonna twist this a little bit so I get it out of the way. You feel me? So there are 2 ways to get rid of this problem. I'm gonna show you the way that I use, the way that I like to use. So look, this hair belongs to this dread right here. You see? So the first way is just to get a retwist, you feel me? Like wrap the hair like this around, like, you feel me? And do it like that, and that's it. You see? The hair still over here. Most people do it like that. I don't blame them. I'm not saying that this is like the only way, the way that you should do it. So that's not the way I do it, especially when the hair is like this long. Cause like if you go ahead and twist it like it is right now, you see, so like the hair might not get locked into the dread, and you're gonna have the same issues. You see, like hair still right here. So what I do is just pay attention. When the hair is this long, you feel me? I don't know why it's so dark in this motherfucker. Like, it's pretty dark. I'm gonna have to buy some more light. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna see what I can do with this darkness. You feel me? So you go ahead and get your crochet. I'm gonna be using 0.5. You feel me? Right here. Remember that I use my needle facing out. If you see the hook, like that, it's gonna be facing out to fix and use this on my hair. So first of all, I grab the hair, I got the hair, grab it, you feel me? Remember that I don't have a clean part, so I'm not even worried about that. You see, I put it like this. I don't twist it. I don't fucking twist it with the locks. I don't do it. So I just grab the hair, you feel me, where it's supposed to be at, like that. And I take my crochet needle, like I told you, facing out, right? And I start introducing this loose hair that you see right here into the locks, into the lock, the dread, whatever you want to call it. So grab my hair with my 2 fingers like that, take my needle facing out, like I told y'all, and I start introducing the needle slowly, because I don't want to break the hair. You guys don't want to break your hair, because if you do, then it's going to be a pain in your, you know what I mean. So you take the hair from this side, right, to the middle of the dread as you going up. You see? So I'm basically pulling the hair from one side to another without pulling the needle out. You see? So how the hair is almost into the dread. That's what I do with my hair whenever this problem happen. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just pulling my hair from this side to the middle of the dread. You feel me? And I work my way down. You feel me? Without breaking the hair. You gotta be careful, because you only just basically pulling the hair into the middle of the dread, or the body of the dread, whatever you wanna call it. Anyway, guys, so thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for being always there for me. I'm so thankful and grateful that I have y'all as part of my family. Y'all are my family, believe it or not. If you are not following me on my IG, what you waiting for? Go ahead, hit the link on the description, Locs. Follow me, man. You feel me? Like, let's be close. Let's be close. If you got any question about fixing your dread, whatever you wanna do with your locks, if you wanna get any service from me, remember that I'm a barber. So if you're in the city of Louisville, Kentucky, if you wanna have the best barber in the city, doing every type of hair, straight hair, curly hair, any type of hair, you feel me? So just hit me up on my IG. Let's book an appointment. If you wanna fix your dread with a crochet, if you wanna have some wigs, Locs is the one in the city. You feel me? Hit me up and let's get it, guys. Another thing, guys, that I wanna tell y'all. So the link to buy all the products that I use, like crochet, gel, oil, spray for my locks, is gonna be in the description down there. If you wanna buy any of those, just have to use my code Locs. I think it is 25 Locs on the square 20. I don't know. Anyway, it's gonna be on the description. Just go ahead and get it. You feel me? I love you guys, and you see how it looks. I got already my hair into the dread. You feel me? So I don't have to do nothing else. All I have to do is get my retwist. You feel me? And the hair is not gonna come out. So that's what I do, guys. 25 Locs, the best in the city. You feel me? And look what I have over here. I brought these from the DR. I went to the DR like a week ago. I was there with my family for like 3 weeks straight. Getting, you feel me, tipsy, drunk and shit, you feel me? Having a good time. So I was like, why not bring, you know what I'm saying, some alcohol to put in my mama Juana, you know what I'm saying? So today I'm gonna turn out, you know how I get down, you feel me? So thank you guys for watching my video. I love you guys. I do apologize for being gone for a long time. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, it's been a minute since I dropped something on my channel. But like you guys know, I'm busy as you feel me? So I just doing what I can. I don't do this because I needed to eat, you know what I'm saying? I do YouTube. I teach people like how to take care of their locks because I want to, because I love teaching people, you feel me? Anyway, guys, I'm jumping only whenever I feel like, you feel me? I ain't got no pleasure, like, I haven't dropped nothing. I just do it whenever I feel like teaching y'all, my people, teaching y'all how to take care of your locks without even paying a lot of money. You see, so I fixed my shit already in less than 10 minutes. You feel me? Go watch my video. If you didn't subscribe yet, what you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the like button, share button, you feel me? Share it everywhere. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. 25 Locs in the city for all my people. Let's get it, you feel me?